Hey YouTube, Shay here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shay Love Hair. This video is about Model Model's Fresh One Curl hair. This is a review. I do have an installation video that I previously recorded and released. So if you want to know how to install this hair and to trim it and make it your own, then you want to look for that video, which I will link it down in the description box, and it'll also be one of the suggested videos up in that corner there that you can click on after you finish watching this video. But this is going to be the overall review of the hair now that I've had it in for a week or two. So if you want to learn more about this hair and its behavior, then keep watching. I've roughly had this hair in for about a week and a half now, and I have to tell you guys, I love it. This is the first time I have worn this hair. First time I've ever installed this hair. I've not used it on a client or anything. I don't know if it's new or what, but I've never heard of it. Usually what I do, I go in the hair store and I usually have an idea of what I want. But this last time I went in and I had an idea of what I wanted, but they didn't have it. So I started looking around. And so when I'm trying to look for something, I'll pull out my phone. I'll pull up YouTube myself to see what people are saying about the hair before I get it. Well, this hair, it only had 2 reviews on it. One, it was bomb. I loved it. And then the other one, she had installed it a little different and it wasn't for me. So, I had a 50-50 chance of this working out. So I was like, you know what? The hair is like $6.99 a bag. Most of them are saying you need about 3 bags. So I'm going to just go with it. So I ended up buying 4 bags. I only used 3, so I have 1 unopened one. The color that I'm using, I have a 1B, a 2, and a 4. Those are all my favorite colors to mix. I also like to throw a 30 in there sometimes, depending on the style. But this is 1B, 2, and 4. So it has different highlights in it. And I don't know if my camera is going to allow you to see that. I think you can kind of see some of the 2 or the 4. I don't know. But, so let me tell you guys, this hair, I installed it on a Saturday. It wasn't this past Saturday, it's the Saturday before last. So yeah, a week and a half. So anyway, I installed it that day, recording everything right. That afternoon, my son had a fever. Turned out he had the flu. So I took my hair and I put it up in a ponytail, right? In the very top of my head, which was actually really cute. And you know what? I'll show you a picture of how it actually looked when it was up, because it was actually cute. So anyway, I kept that up in that ponytail until he got better. Okay. For at least 4 days, I had it up. Now in those 4 days, I did not use a bonnet. I did not use a shower cap. I think the first night I used a shower cap, but after that, when you're alternating Tylenol and Motrin and stuff every 3 hours, sweetie, you don't be thinking about no shower cap no more. You're just trying to get your body clean so you can lay down, right? So that's what I did. So one night we did the shower cap. The rest of it, there was no shower cap. And so, I take a shower and then I lay down because I like to take my showers at night. So, the hair is damp and I'm laying on it. And I don't have a satin pillowcase. Yes, I know I'm supposed to have that. But if you are someone who installs your own hair or does hair on the side or whatever, or if you're a beautician or whatever, chances are you don't do any of that stuff you tell your clients to do because they're trying to prolong the hair. We just trying to have something cute and we can take it out. Whatever. Anyway, so what I'm saying is this hair is what I call perfection for me because it's not high maintenance. The fact that I put it up in a ponytail, okay, and not only did my son have the flu, he gave it to me 2 days later. So I was sick, taking care of him, all right. Had this hair up in a ponytail, no shower cap, no bonnet, no satin pillowcase, and just was, all over the place, okay. And the whole time, like when I would go to the store, then I had to go to work, all this, I'm getting compliment, okay. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm feeling better. I'm going to take the hair down, see what it is, see what the damage is. I was 100% sure that I was going to have to trim it, get some of the frizz out, something. I didn't know what was going to be down in there. I thought it was going to be matted. You know, I wasn't sure. So I took it down, thinking that, you know, all right, let's do some work here. I didn't do anything. I put a little olive oil in my hand and did this, and the hair was fine. It was absolutely fine. It was perfection. I've never experienced anything like this. Oh. Okay. It's beautiful. The hair is just beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay. Okay. I love this hair. Okay. I love this hair. So I wore the hair down. Okay. It's beautiful. And so now my daughter's sick, right? Take care of her. I'm still doing bad habits. I've yet to use any of the precautionary things you're supposed to do. I'm going to continue to push the envelope. I'm just going to see what happens. I'm not wearing a bonnet. I'm not going to wear a shower cap. I'm not going to wear any of that stuff. I'm going to see how long this lasts and how long I can get away with this, because this just might make the list of the go-to hair. Yeah, it's amazing. So let me see if I can find a stock card, or at least get the other pack of hair to show you what you're looking for when you go get it. Oh, I will say that this hair does frizz like a little bit. Like, not enough to be frizzy, but to me, it just makes it look more natural. Like, it looks like if you wand curled your hair and you've worn it for a couple days. That's what it looks like to me. Okay, so this is the hair. That ring light doesn't like make it where you can't see it. I think you can see it right there. See this fresh wand curl, and this is the 1B, but it comes in a lot of other different colors. You can see that. And I mean, like the one video that I watched, I was like, was how they installed it in the pack. You can see that stock card. You see that? Like, they took it as a whole and put it in. But this is how it comes. This is it. So it's literally like if you were to take your hair and put it on a wand to curl it. And I separated it different ways depending on where I put it in my hair or where I put it on my head. But if you want more information on that, like I said, just check out that other video, because it has all the instructions on how I installed it. But I mean, to sum it up, you guys, it's a 10 out of 10 for me at this moment. Now, if something changes, I'll update you. But if not, what I'm going to do is, like I said, continue my chaos and live irresponsibly and sleep with it the way I want, and no shower cap and all that stuff. And when it starts to get frizzy, I want to see if I can refresh it. And so when I attempt to refresh it, I record that and come back with another video for you guys, so you can see, you know, just how long this hair is going to last, and, you know, if you can bring it back. Okay. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything, please hit me up in the comments. What else do I have to tell you guys? Please follow me on Instagram. It's Shay Love Hair, one word. And join us on Facebook. Our Facebook group is We Love Hair. All of those links will be down in the description box. Please give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do, because 2019 is a big year. I'm coming, you guys. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by and chatting with your girl. And I think that's it. I love you guys so much. Peace and blessings.